SUMIF, very simple, very straightforward. No mystery here. Brad Williams XL primed. Anything with shirts, add the total. C5, C13. Oh, anything with a shirt, add up. D5, D13. What do we have here? We have a wild card, front and back. Remember in the previous example, we were working with the asterisk? Just think of this as the asterisk. And the only way to read that asterisk is to put that tilde there. Well, we don't need to put a tilde. We just put shirt and we pick up everything before and after the shirt. Well, that's what we did with the asterisk. I know it was hard to see, but if we use this example, you probably can see it as clear as day now. Remember that what that tilde does. It just says, read the asterisk. Here, shirt, shirt, shirt. We can count these, shirt. You see that? We have 45. So we have 9, 9, 13, 14. We have a pre, so we have hat. And we have a post, which is hat. After shirt, we have hoodie and shirt. So we can add all these. That's exactly what we did. Can we do an F9? No, that's fixed. There you go. Over here on the right, if you need to read, this is our 8th example. By now, you can probably pick up the pattern here. Brad Williams XL Prime.